guys, so now it's Sunday, 3rd of February. A brand new and crazy month has started, and it's going to be a fun one. It's going to be a really big month. Anyway, this video is going to be a very quick recap of the Friday's NFP and what we did and what we're doing actually, but it has a very important lesson in it. Now, if you're a member of PipsMatter.com or my community, my trading community, you would know about our position sizing formula. That position sizing formula is essential to follow because it is the best way to help you do two things. The first one is to focus on consistency because you have a checkpoint of how you can increase your position sizes. Also, you're not trading randomly. Point number two is it's going to really help you to lower your risks in the markets. So we have a contraction here on AUD/USD, and this is a trade idea we released. You can see that the spike came very, very close to our stop loss right there. I did move my stop losses a little bit, and I've entered more positions on AUD/USD, but it seems like the breakout is now valid on AUD/USD, and I'm going to continue to short this right down to the 50%, which is the 72,144. That's my take profit. Take profit 2 is 61, which is here. So I'm moving my TP up to 50%, and I'll keep it there. And the second trade we released was USD CAD. Now this one moved a lot lower than the previous one, where we expected. It came right out of here and continued going lower. But I didn't get out of my positions because I was kind of hoping that we will create three lower lows inside this bearish contraction, bullish reversal contraction. So we have a low, lower low, and lowest low, and we're kind of nearing the end of the contraction, so I'm expecting a move up to the 50% here. And that's a decent move. I am in a losing trade here and the winning one because at the end of this 4-hour candle I entered a long. And that's working out well so far. Very good indications that we're going to have a breakout and head right to the 50%. Now I don't care anything beyond that. I'm just targeting the 50%, and that's where I'm going to stay. One of the reasons I decided to go long here again is the US dollar index, which created a bullish flag pattern here. And this is the news, up, down, and then it started breaking out. And I said, okay, that's it. There's a breakout happening here because we do have low, lower low, lowest low. And I'm expecting a very similar move to occur on USD CAD. Now, why is position sizing important? I was trading for this NFP an account that has 2,000 British pounds. And that means that my position sizing, maximum position size, would be 0.15. And the minimum of 0.1. Now, by opening those kind of position sizes, my biggest active loss on the account was just 3.5%. But it allowed me to re-enter into other positions on USD CAD and AUD/USD. And now I have an overall profit of just over 4% active P&L. Okay, so position sizing is very, very important because it gives you structure. And structure is very important in trading. Because our ultimate purpose with PipsMatter and the community we run and the private coaching that I do is to create consistency. Consistency in terms of weekly profits. Because we do day and swing trading, I like to achieve a specific amount of return per week. For me, that's 8% right now. For some of the clients I manage, it's 10. For others, it's less. Depends on the account balance, depends on the goals. When you have consistency, everything is easy. But to have consistency, you need to have smart position sizing. And this is something that we do at PipsMatter.com. For example, you see $100, you're trading with 0.1 to 0.02, sorry, 0.01 to 0.02. And then the next number is from 200 to 300, and you scale up depending on where you are. I'll give the basic example of managing an account with 2,000. I'm trading here with 0.1 to 0.15, and that allowed me to kind of even increase my stop loss on the trades and not get stopped out on the moves of the NFP and capitalize on the move down. So now, instead of having a loss, I'm actually in a profit. But if I was trading with much higher position sizes, that would not be that possible. So consistency is achieved when you follow a structure and a plan, and that's what we're doing here. So when the balance goes up to 3K, that's when I can increase my position size to 0.3. But if my balance drops below, let's say to 900, that's when I'm going to start lowering my position size. Now, all of this is explained in the onboarding videos and in the coaching that I do, but the basic idea is to have structure, and this is how it looks like up to 10,000, and obviously it goes beyond that. Now, this video is a very short video explaining what we did on the NFP. We were trading a stronger dollar. The NFP numbers came out better, but unemployment went up, and average hourly earnings weren't that good either. But we have momentum now, and it seems like the dollar will be strong in the new week. We have confirmations, and that's what we're going to be trading. Worst case scenario is I'm going to take a very small loss on my trades if I see a reversal. Best case scenario, the 50% gets reached, and I profit. Now, if you want to create structure in your trading, I'm working on a really cool course right now that all of my members will have access to with rather large discounts. To join it, and especially if you're a part of the coaching that I do, I never take more than 3 people on at once. Somebody just signed up today, and that makes it 3 out of 3. I don't have space right now for coaching, but if you're interested, you should join my community. It's only 56 euros a month, and I can guarantee that you will make more than 56 euros to cover your investment in me. What you're going to get is a lot of education, a lot of videos, a lot of ongoing support. My main idea here is to teach you to trade for yourself. I don't want to be giving trade alerts out constantly, but my trades alerts are the trades that I take. So I say, hey, this is what's up, and that's what I take. I never release a trade idea that I'm not taking myself. I like to lead by example. Okay, that's it. This is a very short video explaining how I saved myself from taking a loss on the NFP and capitalizing on the stronger dollar, which started happening later throughout the US session when Europe closed. Again, structure is essential, and that's going to help you, and I can help you create structure. Hope to see you in my community. If not, keep following my free videos on YouTube. Subscribe to my blog on PipsMatter.com. I've got big things prepared for this year.